How hard is it to pick locks? This is a training lock, which I bought for $10. First time I ever tried this was the first time I had ever tried lockpicking. Couldn't open it in 2 hours. So I cheated and I checked what it looks like and tried to pick it like this when you can see the stuff. Still took me over 20 minutes. And to see how easy it actually is to open this pick, or this lock, this is normal pick and I just put it here. And just like that, with just wiggling it around, it opened. So this is real easy one, and still took me hours to open it and cheating. But now, if I try to actually pick it instead of just raking it, took me a minute or so. And I'm bad at this. I really don't know. I only ever opened these two locks here. And this one took me 2 days to open when I tried for the first time. Usually it now takes me like 5 minutes or so. Let's see if I can do it. So took me like 3 minutes this time. And remember, I have only ever opened these two. So without practice, lockpicking is really hard. People who know what they are doing do this stuff in seconds.